Hi guys, you're on the Tim's Clay channel, and today we will create another monster, the Stinger Flynn from the game Garten of Banban. To be honest, of all the monsters, the Stinger Flynn seems to be the most cute and harmless. He looks like an orange, jellyfish-like monster with many arms. However, we all know how insidious the tentacles can be. While I'm doing the Stinger Flynn, I'll tell the alternative story of his appearance. Oh my gosh, it seems this octopus is trying to grab us with his tentacles. Guys, let's count how many times the Stinger Flynn appears in the video. Write your answer in the comments to find out which of you is the most attentive. Once upon a time, in one small town, there was a private kindergarten of Banban. The kindergarten owner was a Mrs. Smith. She was very fond of children and animals. Therefore, her kindergarten was different from others and was special. In the kindergarten yard, she organized a vegetable garden and made a mini zoo with cute animals. There was even a small pond with a fountain. The children really enjoyed spending time and playing in the garden. They learned to grow vegetables and played with animals. But one day, everything changed forever. A crazy professor who loved to experiment on animals escaped from the prison, and he decided that the ideal place for him would be the basement of the kindergarten, where he would make his laboratory. Soon, the children began to notice that animals from the mini zoo began to disappear. In Mrs. Smith's office, there was a large aquarium in which a small octopus Flynn lived, which the kids loved to feed. He grabbed food very quickly, for which the children gave him the nickname Stinger Flynn. But one day he went missing, and no one could understand. After all, there were no predators in the aquarium. Meanwhile, the evil professor wasted no time, and his third experimental creature was the Stinger Flynn. As a result of monstrous experiments, the Stinger Flynn turned into a real monster. He squeezed its prey with its powerful tentacles and swallowed it whole, and the poisoning suckers completely immobilized the victim.
Nice.
Hey guys, do you like Stinger Flynn who I made? Who does this character remind you of? A jellyfish or an octopus, or maybe someone else? Write in the comments. By the way, I have a Facebook group where I post two plasticine figures that you send me. Subscribe, send photos of your figurines that you made from plasticine, and on my channel I will publish them in videos. It was Team Clay, and see you!